How to delete my Pandadoc account. In this video, I'll show you how to delete my Pandadoc account. So to get started, go ahead and open Pandadoc into your browser. Go ahead and sign in to your Pandadoc account. And then once you're signed in, go ahead and scroll down at the left side of your screen and then click on settings. Under that, go ahead and click on workspace settings. And then once you're on this page, go ahead and head over into the billing tab or my account tab. So on your my account tab, you'll usually find all of the information that you have, and usually the delete option is found here. But since we can't find that here, what you can do is to head over into the billing tab to check if there is an option to delete your account into this section. So as you can see in here, you can go ahead and manage your plan, upgrade your plan, and cancel your subscription in here. So to be able to delete your account, you first need to cancel the subscription that you have on Pandadoc. So click on this cancel subscription button. So to be able to cancel your subscription, you need to confirm on canceling this by clicking on this cancel button. And then after that, you can proceed deleting your account on Pandadoc. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.